What's up, guys? It's Chris back in the driveway with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to swap out your rear wiper blade on your 2014 Honda Odyssey. This can go for any Odyssey from 2011 to 2017. And I made a really big mistake. Don't be like me, learn from my mistakes and do it right the first time. Let's go ahead and I'll show you what I did. As you can see, my rear wiper blade has seen better days. It's starting to stick. You can see it trying to get it to go. A lot of the rubber had come out. So I'm walking by Costco and they have their whole lineup of wiper blades that are, you know, set up to be bought. And they have a little guide. The guide shows you, you know, what wiper blade you have. I went through the whole booklet in Costco and nothing came up. So I did a quick Google search, what size rear wiper blade for a Honda Odyssey 2014. Came up at 16 inches. I looked into Costco, the smallest size they had was 17. And I figured, it's a big window. What can 1 inch, it shouldn't be an issue. So I said, let me go ahead and remove this wiper blade. So you can see this one's already falling apart. Let me get it in for you guys. So the quickest way to take off this wiper blade is you just extend it all the way, and as you're extending, it slides right out. So I thought, hey, I could go to Costco, you know, pick one of these up for about $9 and swap it out. And these are usually a universal fit. So I was like, hey, let me go ahead and put this on. And as you can see, the 1 inch isn't that big of a difference on these two blades. So first I was like, you know what, should be a quick replacement, shouldn't be that big of a deal. But as you can see, this part on the old wiper blade is a lot wider than this part. So there's no way that this is going to be able to get into this area. And I looked into other ways of trying to get this off and getting other parts, you know, for this, and there was no way that this section would be able to fit this side. Even if we were able to take this part off, this metal body of the wiper would never fit. It would never attach. So then I went ahead and picked up this Trico exact fit 16-inch wiper blade off Amazon. And let's see how this fits. So right off the bat, we could see with the old wiper blade, the way it was mounted, and the new wiper blade, the way it was mounted, looks very similar. We have the curved area for this end of the blade. The only thing we don't have, and we could see if we could reuse, is this clip. Looks like this clip is able to click into the spring-loaded mount that's part of the inside that keeps pressure onto the window. So I'm going to see if we could reuse that. But just right off the bat, looks like it'll be an exact fit. So we got the new blade. First thing we want to do is, remember how we had removed this part of the blade. So we could go ahead, fish this part in. It hooks into the teeth, and then it sort of swings into place. Just like that. And there you go, we have it replaced. Let's see if this comes out easy. Cool, so this part just snapped right off. Let's go ahead and just get some of the gunk out real quick. Cool, so this part snapped in and this keeps it snug inside. Everything is tight. And go ahead, Let me go ahead and start the car and see if everything works right. There you go, guys. Don't be like me. Don't waste your time. Don't make the mistake. You can't get a regular blade and get it to fit onto your rear wiper for your Honda Odyssey. Go ahead and go on Amazon. I'm going to put the link for this Trico. Looks like it's an exact fit. Everything looks like it's OEM. You don't have to pay the Honda price, and it works perfectly. Guys, if you're here for the first time, please subscribe. Make sure to like this video. Thanks for watching.